Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video we'll be looking at how to register for My Avada, the Avada support and license management portal. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos like this one. And if you don't want to miss one, click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos on our channel. Okay, let's begin. You can find My Avada from the avada.com website. There's a link in the top corner here. Clicking this takes us to my.avada.com and the login page. If you already have a ThemeFusion account, you can use your credentials for that to log in. But if you haven't registered for an account yet, there's a Create Account link at the bottom here. I'll just click that and it takes us to the registration form. Okay, it's very easy to register, but let's go through the options here. The most interesting ones are right at the top here. To register an Avada account, you need to add a valid purchase code. Now you can just head to themeforest.net and grab a copy of your purchase code there. See the video link below for where to find that purchase code at ThemeForest if you're not sure. But as you can see, there's also an alternative option to import your purchase codes from Envato. Let's see how the import process works. I'll just click on Import from Envato, and a window pops up asking us to sign into the Envato API. You just use your ThemeForest credentials to do this. I'll just sign into my account, and then we get a window asking me to authorize My Avada to connect with my account. Under this it shows what My Avada will get access to and what it won't. Don't worry, it only needs the bare essentials so it can pull the purchase codes. We need to click Approve here for the process to work. When I do that, the connection is made, and very quickly the window closes automatically and we are back on the register page. Here a message is now shown that connection was successful, and that any Avada purchase codes found on the connected Envato account will be added to your Avada account when you click on Create Account. But before we do that, we need to just add some details. I'll just add my name and choose a username. I don't think Jeffster will be taken. I will enter and confirm my email address, and then add a password and confirm it to make sure I know what it is. You can also sign up to our newsletter here as well to be informed of new releases and other news, so I'll select that, and then I will click on Create Account. We get a message here that a validation message has been sent to the email address supplied. I'll just pull that email up. And as you can see, all we have to do here is click on Verify Account. This takes us to a page that tells us our verification has been successful, and now I can log in. I'll just do that. And then here we are on the dashboard of my.avada.com. Here you can manage your Avada licenses, submit and track support tickets, and much more. For a full walk around, watch the How to Use My Avada video linked below. And to fully understand how to manage your Avada licenses, watch the How to Manage Your Avada Licenses on My Avada video. Okay, this concludes our video on how to register for My Avada. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.